Patrick Norton, Portland, Oregon, 2011. And this is his monster truck collection. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, Cole, which one do you want to show first? Which one? Pick it up, hold it to the camera. Which one is that?
Mad USA.
Alright, next one. 2 Mad USAs. Wow. Which one's that?
Grave Digger.
Grave Digger. Which one is that?
Toro.
Next one. Which one is that one?
Key.
Which one?
Key.
Bad News Travels Fast?
Yeah.
Which one is that?
Jurassic Attack.
Jurassic Attack. And next, 2 of them, Screaming Demon, and what's the other one? Is that, which one is that one? Tropical Thunder?
Oh,
Which one is this one?
don't know.
Yeah, you do. It's Pure Adrenaline. Okay, next one. We're making the movie, remember, Cole? What's McQueen doing in there? Oh, he's a monster truck McQueen. Now I get it. Okay, next one. Which one is that one? Annihilator. Which one is that one? You gotta hold it so we can see it.
Arachnophobia.
Arachnophobia. Okay, put it back. Next one. Which one is that one?
DD.
DD. Which one is that one?
Green. Super green one.
Super green one. Which one is that one?
4x4.
Uh-huh. 4x4. What's that one?
Race car.
Race car monster truck. Which one's that one?
Bounty hunter.
Bounty hunter. And which one?
Wrecking crew.
Wrecking crew. Which one?
Monster.
Monster Mutt. What's that one?
That's in the streets.
Which one's that one?
The War Wizard.
The War Wizard. Are there more? Who are the ones in the back? The big ones. Is that the Tormentor and the Ice Screamer? And what Monster Mutt is that one? That's the Dalmatian Monster Mutt, right?
Yeah.
Nice. Which one's your favorite one, Cole? Ramunition. You want to hit the buttons? You hit the button. Wow, now that's power. We did missed all these ones here. Which ones are these? What's that one? The Outlaw, the Avenger, Taz, Time Flies, Grave Digger, Donkey Kong, Prowler, Pillage Idiot. You got Scarlet Bandit, and what's that last one? Brutus! What do you think, Cole? Cool Kid Cole. What do you think? Say, my movie's over.
My movie is over.
I hope you enjoyed seeing all my monster trucks.
I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
Okay, here we go.